free from debt. No? Kasi yung utang was incurred by the Republic of the Philippines. So, Philippines will still be Philippines minus yung Mindanao and Cebu. No? Nagsisid eh. Ayaw na namin sa inyo, mga walang niya kayo, babaon nyo kami sa utang, we will start our own destiny. And they will start a clean slate. Meaning to say, yung 5 trillion na share ng Cebu at Mindanao, kasi 20% ng population natin, yung 5 trillion na yon will be burdened by yung natitira na kung ilan na lang, 30, 120, mga 90 million Filipinos na may iwan. So, it's going to be more than 182,000 ang bawat isa.